Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today, we're going to talk about markets for 4th of May and what happened across the day on Nifty Bank Nifty, and we'll also plan for tomorrow's market, that is 5th of May. At the end of this video, I'll also give you 5 intraday stocks which will give you amazing profits tomorrow. So, without wasting much of a time, here we go. Dow future at the moment is trading in a bearish zone. If you see right here, it had touched this level of 34,035, and from there it has gone down to 33,710 odd, and from there again there was some recovery, and at the moment it is trading at 33760. I think that this is just a short covering, and people are just trying to book some profits right here, and that might be one of the reason why US 30 is down, because there is no major news as such which is pulling the markets down. And as you see, most of the times in the later part of the day you might see a recovery which might take this again to that level of 33,900. Okay, so if you see SGX Nifty, you see similar trends. If you see, it has closed somewhere in that range of 14,500, and from there it did pull down, and now it is trading at 14,429. So it's a bearish zone that Nifty is trading at the moment. I see that it can go ahead and take some good supports if it can cross this level of 14,480. Let's see what happened today in the markets. Talking about Nifty Bank on 1 day chart, if you see the lines which are drawn over here, the yellow is the 200 moving average, blue is the 100 moving average, the green line is the 15 moving average, and the red is 50 moving average. These all are exponential moving averages, and if you see, it is just trying to go ahead and be above that 50 moving average. However, due to pressure in the market, it is just keeping the Nifty below this line, that is the green line, that's the 15 moving average. I think that the markets will go into a bullish zone only once it crosses that 50 moving average mark, that is at 33,062. Anything about that will go ahead and help us see another levels which can be of about 34,500. You never know. And on the downside, we see strong support in this range, that is 32,200. I think that is a strong support zone. You have seen it try to go ahead and break this level at least 3 times, 3 to 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, but it is not breaking that level. So the 100 moving average is something which is a strong point. Tomorrow, once the market opens, we can expect some sideways movement. I'll just explain you how we are projecting the market to be. So this is on 15 minutes chart. If you see, 32,294 is the closure. I think if it opens in that range of about 32,549, then there will be a lot of hurdles at the upside that it will face, as it is trading just below all those exponential moving averages as mentioned. So I think if the market goes down from here, it has a strong support zone at 32,200, and I think it is going to be a sideways day. But if you do go ahead and see some positives coming in, do go ahead and encash. Anything about 32,744 is a buy zone, and anything below 32,000 is a sell zone for tomorrow. Talking about Nifty 50, if you see, it's similar kind of a trend, but you did see some recovery at the end in the last 30 minutes, which is a positive sign. And if the market has to go ahead and close above this level, then it has to go ahead and cross this level of 14,573. After that, you can expect some positives. However, the actual positives will only start when it crosses that 14,650 mark, and from there you can expect another highs of about 14,800. At the lower side, I see that 14,400 is a strong support zone. So anything that you see in that range, you can go ahead and buy. Let's see what happened in the 1 day charts. If you see on Nifty, right there, if you see, it's a red candle after a green candle which got formed, which has pushed it down below this moving averages of 15 and 50 exponential moving averages. That's the red and green line. Again, strong support on the long term at 14,235 levels. So you can expect a bounce back again from that level if there is more negativity. Talking about top 5 gainers for the day, SBI Life, ONGC, BPCL, Bajaj Finance and Adani Port all were up by about 2.5% to 1% range. Primarily, you are seeing some short recovery in Bajaj Finance. As you know that the results were good. We have already posted a video on that. Adani Ports, for a long time it was sideways. Now it is moving upwards. So again, that will get a benefit. Talking about the top 5 losers, I've actually kept 6 so that I can explain you how important of short selling are we seeing on this pharma stocks and the testing stocks. So Tata Consumer Products, you see it's down by 4.7%, but after that if you see Cipla into pharma, which is down by 3.4%, Dr. Reddy's into testing, who's down by 2.29%, Davis Lab testing again 2.18%, and then you also see Sun Pharma and Reliance who are down. So these are the top losers. Let's see what actually happened in the markets on FYI's front. So FYIs were top sellers today. If you see, they have sold into cash market of about 1,772 crores, and DIIs have bought about 987 crores. If you see into index futures, there was like some selling done by the FIIs, and they have bought the options into the index as mentioned on the screen. The VIX for India did drop down by 2.9%, and it's currently at 23. It would really be good if you see that trading again in that range of about 2021. The top 5 intraday picks for tomorrow are on your screen. You can buy ICICI Bank above 598.8 and sell below 587.6. You can buy Bajaj Finance above 5672 and sell below 5560. You can buy Adani Ports above 781.2 and sell below 760. You can buy JSW Steel above 727.9 and sell below 710.6. You can buy Cipla above 887.1 and sell below 874.64. So that is it from our side. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Do consider subscribing to our channel. If there is any help that you need, do comment and we will be ready to go ahead and assist you. Share it with your friends so that you can help them beat inflation as well. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. You have a great day ahead.